a picture with them?
Not really
Finally?
for you. It's like all the different lines you probably won't be there.
Yeah. So I'm hoping y'all are going to do, you and Dustin are going to do this all over again.
Oh. I guess it was this time.
You don't have to. You don't have to, but it's my most vivid memory of here, by far.
I remember
And
you had a birthday.
I had a birthday and y'all sang for
When
me
was it?
today.
Today's your birthday?
And so while you were painting, it was my birthday, and I sang happy
I
birthday for
remember I sang very loudly about it a little bit.
me. And my camera didn't work, but Joe got it. And so I think I have it on YouTube now. Anyway, that's a mighty nice thing for people to do. It's a wonderful thing.
That was an exciting
And
moment.
so yeah, it was.
It felt fitting that we got to sing that.
Yes. Well, so today I'm 65. Just so you know.
Fine year.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. It's me and my wife. So the family is, you know, somebody's gone to a wedding, and so we're going to do that next week on Moreland Avenue. Yeah, well, later tomorrow. I don't handle my liquor very well. So yeah, well, we'll see. So I'm videoing, so. Hey, good to see you. You're back.
I'm back.
You're back. I was hoping you'd make it back. Because we were really jealous and we were hating you pretty bad.
Oh, good. So you're
But
glad I'm
now
back.
that you're back,
Yeah, cool.
it's like you never win. And so we've kind of forgotten. Cauliflower.
Maybe so. All right, yeah. Morning is
I need a video of the artist
It's not the little
waving or something.
apple, it's-
I'm going to shake the artist's hand. Congratulations, you were busy. You're so busy. And I'll get the mint, kind of. And that'll be it.